Yekalon, the world's leading integrated solution provider of building and decoration materials. Wherever in the world you may be, Yekalon is there for you. Founded in 1997, Yekalon is headquartered in Shenzhen, China's youngest international city. After nearly 20 years of continuing development, Yekalon is one of China's leading companies, with a global footprint, providing products and services in more than 200 countries and districts. Yekalon is engaged in the entire industrial chain of decorating and building materials, ranging from design, research and development, manufacturing, global logistics, and service consulting, concentrating mainly on forestry, medium-density fiber and high-density fiber panels, and building and decorating materials, to provide the one-stop integrated solution for clientele around the world. In addition, Yekalon has in-depth capabilities in multiple fields such as construction engineering, real estate development, and the e-commerce platforms.
Our vision is to create a global top brand and become a world-class leader of integrated products and services, and a solutions provider of decorating and building materials.
As a leading enterprise, both in providing integrated solutions for customized products and services in the entire building materials industrial chain, Yekalon owns more than 150 production bases, engaged in product R&D, design and manufacturing of flooring, curtain walls, kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, sanitary products, bathroom vanities, doors and windows, hardware, ceramics, stone and masonry, as well as hotel furniture. Yekalon has collaborated with Trout, Microsoft and HP consultants, Willis Towers, Watson, and other globally renowned institutions for continued improvements and advancement in technological innovation, product R&D, production administration, logistics, marketing, service consultation, human resource management, information management, and internet technologies, all for the purpose of offering the best products and service to our customers. As a technology innovation leader of the global industry of decorating and building materials, we attach great importance to the design and development of all products, and we have obtained numerous world-famous trademarks, patents, and certifications. Yekalon owns many world-renowned brands such as Yekalon, Yekalon Buildmark, Senior Well, Bergheim, Tap and Go, and more, which are protected by the trademark laws in over 100 countries. Yekalon's products meet many international standards and different quality rules, such as international certification ISO 9001 and ISO 14001, CARB of America, CE of Europe, International Certification FSC, Floor Score of America, Watermark of Australia, UKS of the United Kingdom, SONCAP of Nigeria, UPC of America, SASO of Arabia, and various COC certifications from different countries and regions. Yekalon is continually endeavoring to create value for its customers. Among Yekalon's hundreds of proprietary technologies, the Tap and Go flooring locking technology has broken the monopoly of core technologies held by a few companies in the global flooring industry. Yekalon's Tap and Go technology prevailed challenges in international lawsuits concerning intellectual property in North America, Germany, and other countries, and triumphed in an 8-year-long legal battle. Yekalon has been honored as one of the 3 core proprietary technologies in the global flooring industry and is now protected under patent laws in nearly 60 countries, including Europe, America, Canada, and Australia, which has laid a solid foundation for the group's global strategy and is now in its course of reshaping the evolution and interest patterns of the floor industry in the world. Yekalon has millions of acres of wetland pine resources in the Dabi mountain area in China, increasing progressively at the speed of planting 2 million trees per annum. It helps to make favorable ecological benefits for this area, promote local residents' incomes, while maintaining a sustainable supply of raw materials. As a globally influential integrated supplier of building and decoration materials, Yekalon provides customers with solutions, integrating both products and service so as to meet the needs of global customers for superior customized products and their anticipation of exquisite living environment.
Our goal is to let the global customers enjoy the most cost-effective products and service in a most efficient way.
Our ideas are more advanced. Yekalon takes lead in dealing with one-stop and integrated brand operation of building and decoration materials in the world. Earlier in its establishment stage, Yekalon has been aware of the fact that against the backdrop of globalization, providing one-stop and integrated products and service is the only solution to responding to customization needs from clients with global projects, distributors or supermarkets, and transcending customers' anticipations. Our products are of more satisfactory variety. We have over 10,000 kinds of decoration and building products to meet customers' one-stop demands. Additionally, thanks to Yekalon's over 150 production bases, we are capable of tailoring the products to individual needs. Our service is more professional. Yekalon provides the integrated service tailored to clients' various needs. We offer multilingual services, proficient in English, French, Spanish, Arabic, Russian, and more, allowing you to enjoy our professional service without any communication barriers.
Hoan nghênh đến với công ty Yekalon. Yekalon 이곳은 환영합니다. Bienvenue à Yekalon.
Our clients are all over the world. Yekalon provides service for a great number of property developers, including the world's top 500 companies, building materials supermarket operators, as well as world-famous 5-star hotels, including Sheraton Hotel, Hyatt Regency, Shangri-La Hotels and Resorts, DoubleTree, Crown Plaza, Leroy Merlin Superstore, Rona, Sensko Sud. Our projects are all over the world. In North America, Europe, Australia, Africa, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia, Yekalon is engaged in project cases spreading almost 200 countries and districts. Thailand, Kanapaya Residences, Lebanon Residential Apartment, the Luxury Hotel in World Top Resort, Maldives, the East Sea International Luxury Apartment of Shenzhen, Kunming Daesheng Commercial Center, the Gateway Hotel, Airport Garden, Sri Lanka, the Emporium of Pakistan, American AVC Castle, Miami Brickell on the River, Stadium Place of America, Egyptian 6-star Red Sea Resort Hotel, Sheraton Hotel 5-star in Kuwait, Complexi Danica of Kosovo, China Dalian Moon Bay Hotel, the large-scale shopping mall in Moscow, One Shenzhen Bay, Liberty Classic Villas, Mumbai, Bulgaria Sunny Beach Apartment, Dubai Leia Residences.
Just such convenience. The schedule planned to last 1 month. I just need 3 days to complete in Yekalon. So wonderful. I can take my time to see the beautiful scenery and taste the delicious food in China.
As a senior buyer with 18 years of working experience, Yekalon surprised me with its updated products every time I paid a visit here. In Yekalon, you can feel the fashion and the tie of the whole world's building materials. Very good.
I plan to go for a local design company for these products, but the cost is expensive, with a long time taking. However, Yekalon can provide design service which is very professional and efficient to me. I am satisfied with it and appreciate this model. This is very good.
Changer les couleurs, c'est ça? Et tu parles français. Vraiment, avant de venir ici, j'avais l'habitude d'avoir toujours un interprète avec moi. Mais surprise, tout est plus facile ici. Même si je parle un petit peu d'anglais et qu'on peut parler un tout petit peu tous les deux, tout roule. Merci à Yekalon et à son équipe multilingue. Yekalon, je t'aime.
In the future, unceasingly discovering and pushing forward the creation of beauty, making the consumers expecting decorating space more pleasant, more wonderful, and more comfortable will no longer be just a simple slogan. Instead, it will become the essence of every move and decision Yekalon will make in order to influence and improve people's household life.